Oh, wow. Hello, camera. Ha, my name is Wimmy. We're on the KDL Bookmobile here at the Tally-Ho Puppet Festival. Tally-Ho!
We're going to walk into the theater. Hi. And we're going to say hello. Say hello to your audience. Hello.
So this is one of the events that Mary started 5 years ago and invited me to perform one year, and I've been coming ever since. You know, puppetry helps kids discover performing. It's much easier for kids to perform with their hands than with their bodies and faces sometimes. And I think for those performers who are shy, like me, who hates to be in front of cameras, puppetry is a way to be able to be a performer without having to have your face on stage all the time.
And this is Eli here, who's learning how to operate mouth puppets.
And puppetry also teaches kids so many different skills. There's how to build things with wood, how to sculpt in clay, how to sew fabric, how to make stages.
Oh. Knock, knock.
Well, who's there?
Stan.
Stan? Who?
Stand back. I'm going to knock the door down. Oh!
You know, and all the different disciplines, vocal training, performance skills. So I think it's a great way for kids to get in touch with their performing, grow their performance abilities.
I was an actor for a while and an artist, so puppetry was a good way to bring artwork and acting together.
Tally-Ho! Tally-Ho! And thanks for coming to Sparta for the 5th Tally-Ho Puppet Festival.